You are going to love the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.